SQL Server, and by extension T SQL, has hundreds of functions that are built in ready for you to use. Of course, you could create your own custom functions as well. Basically, functions are broken up into several categories: string, number/arithmetic, date/time, conversion, configuration, and advanced options. On the current slide, we see some examples taken from the string, date, time, and aggregate functions, or numeric or arithmetic functions. Typically, we use these functions as part of a select list or an aware clause, including the having clause, something that we'll cover a little bit later. There are a couple of things to be wary of, though. Generally, functions operate on a row-by-row basis, which means that if you're working with a large data set, there will be performance issues. In database terms, we refer to this as rebar, or row by agonizing row. Another thing to be aware of is that functions can be deterministic or non-deterministic. Fancy mathematical term. A deterministic function is one that will always return the same answer given the same inputs. So for example, one would hope that no matter how many times I ran the query select 1 plus 2, I would always get the answer 3. However, there are also non-deterministic functions like, say, getDate, which will give you a very different answer each time you run the query, as it always returns the current date at the time of execution.